So welcome to Euron once again, guys. And today I'll be talking about roadmap. So we have released a beautiful roadmap. So obviously I thought of discussing this with all of you. So today I'll be talking about AI data science pro level expert roadmap. That what was the intention, what was the idea behind creating this particular roadmap. So here, if you will go on this particular roadmap, so you will be able to find out multiple things, multiple courses and multiple things we have mentioned it over here. Now, so let me talk about this one by one. So see guys, this entire roadmap has been designed for someone so who would like to master into a data science industry and who would like to know and learn and experiment everything. Everything means end to end everything. So again, it's not my suggestion that you should go and complete everything and then start exploring of a job. Maybe if you are in second year, if you're in first year, if you're in third year, you have enough amount of time, right? You have enough amount of time. So try to give that time to this particular roadmap so that by the time you will be in a seventh semester or you will be in a final year of your college, you will become a pro level AI expert or maybe a data scientist, right? And keeping that in a mind, this entire curriculum has been designed. Now, one more thing, so I'm making sure with respect to all of this roadmap that I'm not attaching old courses. We have all kind of a courses available in Hindi as well as in English, and since last, and it's not old means it's not very old. It's like a 2 month, 3 month, 6 month old courses, max to max, right? Because 6 months back itself we have started Euron. So I'm not saying that it's a very old courses, but yeah. So what I'm trying to do is that I'm trying to create a fresh recording for all of these courses. Everything, right? Although recording is getting delayed a little bit because it's taking a lot of effort and time from my side personally. But yeah, so I'm trying to create a complete fresh recording for this entire roadmap for all of you so that without even a slightest of a hiccups, you can try to complete this entire roadmap in your own timeline. Simple, right? Now, and whatever kind of assistance, whatever kind of a ecosystem, whatever kind of things are required, everything should be available to all of you. This is what I'm trying to make sure. Now, this roadmap starts with Python and DSA. Yeah, so first of all, you have to spend approximately 3 months of time just for Python and DSA. Learn that. Then jump into a statistics. Then jump into basically a SQL. SQL is very much important. Then jump into basically a machine learning masters. Yeah, jump into the machine learning masters. Try to learn machine learning. Then try to jump into a MLOps. Then try to do a deep learning. Then try to do a computer vision. Then try to do NLP. Then try to do generative AI. Then try to do RAG. Then try to do MCP. Then try to do LLMOps. So just imagine how much and how many things we have included inside one single roadmap. So many things, right? So many things. So as a fresher, right? Not as a fresher, I would say a person who is in a college and person who is having a enough amount of time, you can try to go through one by one everything. And believe me, you will become a pro. You will become a pro, right? Only this much is required. Now, whenever you are going through any of these modules, obviously you are going to take a help of Yuri, right? You are going to take a help of Yuri. In parallel to that, so after completion of every module, for example, if you're completing Python, do one project, right? Then you are completing machine learning module, a major module I'm talking about. So machine learning module, do one project, right? Although projects will be available as a part of your curriculum, but do something on your own, which we have already given you as a PRD inside your internship portal that is available to all of you, right? So try to do one project. Then after DL, try to do one project. After computer vision, try to do one project. After NLP, try to do one project. After generative AI, try to do one project. So in this way, right? In this way, when you will learn and build, learn and build, learn and build, you will be able to learn and you will be able to implement it. You will be able to get a confidence and you will be able to maybe tomorrow build something for your own, or you can go and give an interview and company will be happy to hire you because now you know everything. Plus you have not just gone through those things. You have built something, right? Something real, which you can try to showcase to the entire world. And then maybe you can try to go and fine tune your existing resume, or maybe based on JD, you can try to build your new resume, or you can try to build a resume from the scratch. All options are available over here, and then go for the job hunting. So here we are updating more than 50,000 plus job on a daily basis for more than 2,000 plus locations, India, abroad, everywhere, right? So go over there, try to do the job hunting. So each and everything is available just on your fingertips. Yeah, just on your fingertips, each and everything is available over here. So hope all of you are going to like it. Plus, we are adding a lot of books. So a couple of books we have added, small handbooks. But we are going to add very soon. You will be able to find out that there is a interview books. There is a handbook for each and every section. We are going to add for every section. By the way, for every section we are going to add it, which you all will be able to enjoy. Plus, I'm planning to even add interview based books. That's completely fine, but interview based courses as well. So in the same module it will be added, so that whenever you're going through this module, you will be having handbook, you will be having interview books, you will be having interview courses and the main courses, right, in the similar tab itself. This is how this entire roadmap is been designed, and we will keep on working for that. We will keep on doing these things for all of you. With that, thank you so much. Hope all of you are going to love it, all of you are going to enjoy it, and see you again guys in my next video.